Hello all, this is Ashwin again, and in this video session we are going to see how to install Visual Studio Code on a Windows computer. So Visual Studio Code is a very popular free IDE that is an integrated development environment by Microsoft for the programming languages like C, C++, C# and Python. It supports many other programming languages and scripting languages. So let us see how to download it and how to install it. Code.visualstudio.com is the URL of the downloadable page of this IDE, and it is mentioned down below in the description section of this video. Now, we are going to go ahead and download it for Windows. Now, if you want to download it for other operating systems, those options are also available. We have download for Mac OS, then we have download for Linux x64 systems. We have downloadable in deb format for Debian and the distributions that are descendants of Debian like Ubuntu and Raspberry Pi OS, as well as we also have the RPM. So here in our case, we are interested in Windows x64. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this. Okay, it seems that the download has started and it is around 76.2 MB of download. So we will wait for it to finish. And okay, it seems that it has been downloaded. So it must be a setup file. So let us click it and see what it is. Okay, now we have to click this run. It might ask us for admin privileges. I'm not sure. So it should soon launch an installation. Yes. So I accept the agreement. Then I click next. Okay. Visual Studio Code. Next. Let's create a desktop icon. Okay. And let's click next. So we will not actually check any other boxes. So the two boxes that I'm leaving out are add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu and add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. So it means that whenever we are going to click, to be very specific, right click, then it is going to show both these options in the menu. And we really don't want very long menus. That's why I'm not checking these. So let me click next. Now it is going to go ahead and copy the files. And it is going to take a moment to copy the files for this installer. So meanwhile, we can check the website. So here we can see various extensions, and yeah, it has got actually extensions for Python, Jupyter, C, C++, Pylance, ESLint, I'm not sure what it is, Prettier, Code Formatter, Live Server, and Visual Studio IntelliCo something. And there is actually a very good library of introduction videos and all. And there seem to be keyboard shortcuts also for all the actions that we are going to perform with Visual Studio Code. And okay, and there is some privacy policy. So I'm just going to go ahead and click yes, because I find that this documentation is helpful. Okay, so I'm just going to skip it. Okay, and now I'm just going to click finish. So this is the main window of the Visual Studio Code. It will take a moment to appear because I am opening it very first time. Okay, so this is from the earlier installation, I guess, the settings. So this is my project, C++ threads. Basically, it is a directory where we have another subdirectory known as .vs code. So here in this .vs code directory, we save all of our setting files. So basically there are 4 setting files: c_cpp properties.json, launch.json, settings.json, and tasks.json. And here in the master directory, we save all the programs. So this is how we can install and work with Microsoft Visual Studio Code IDE.